I see one! I see one! Look! On the fence over there!
Careful, Royston. You're scaring the birds away. Oh, no. They've all gone.
Oh, not all of them, Ollie. The one I spotted is still there. Look. Oh, I think it's a chaffinch or a budgie or maybe...
An old rag hanging off the fence.
Well, don't worry. We'll just wait here until the birds come back.
Well, not while they can see old Royston here, all bright red and that.
Oh, Jethro's right, Ollie. I'm too loud and too colourful. I don't blend in enough to go bird watching.
You make a good scarecrow, though.
Hang on. Royston, stay there. I've got an idea.
Easy, Ollie. What are you up to now? Oh, no!
Hey, that's not very nice, Ollie.
Don't worry, Jethro. Oh, I think I know what Ollie's doing.
Hey! You're blended now, Royston.
Thanks, Ollie. Now I really blend in with the woods.
So let's spot some birds. Sparrows and blue tits, it's birds that we spot.
Cuckoos and magpies, you see such a lot.
Chaffinch and robins all up in the trees.
A dog on your back, beware you don't sneeze.
Some thrush and blackbirds out making a nest.
Woodpecker, skylark, but sporting is the best.
Whoa, that was fun! Thanks for helping me blend in, Ollie.
You're welcome, Royston. I've had a fantastic day. But look, how are we going to get clean? We're completely covered.
Don't worry, Ollie. I've got a few good friends who can help us.
OK, boys, let's get them clean.
Olly the little white man helps his friends as much as he can. Olly the little white man, always around to give a helping hand.
We haven't got long, Stan.
Don't worry, Ollie. This shortcut will save us plenty of time. We're going to have to go back.
No time for that. We're going to jump it.
Now what?
Hey!
Careful with the cape.
Hey!
Oh, pretty fancy wheel work, Ollie.
Beep, beep.
And I hereby declare the winner of Best Cake at Bumpton Fair is...
Beep, beep.
Oh, I say. The best cake goes to Ollie and Stan.
What happened there, Stan?
No idea, Ollie. Come on, we haven't got much time.
Phew! I'm glad we're back on track.
Yep, nothing but plain sailing from here on out.
Do you hear that, Stan?
I do. I wonder what it could... Bees? Whoa!
They must want the cake. Bees love cake. You can't have it. It's for the firefighters.
Where are we going, Ollie?
There's only one thing bees love more than cake, Stan. Flowers.
Oh, good work, Ollie. But it's nearly 12 o'clock. We're running out of time.
We'll see about that, Stan.
Come on, Royston. Let me show you my brand new horn. It's the best.
Baza man, we're a little busy. Can't it wait until lunchtime?
Right, Bertie. Practice makes perfect. Just follow my moves and you'll be one ace turbo racer.
OK, I'll give it a go.
Gonna get you jumping for the Turbo Cup. Gonna get radical, the only way is up.
All this to and fro puts me in a muddle. No matter how hard I try, it's an uphill struggle. Looking bad.
Looking flaky.
That dude is a little shaky.
Gotta stay positive, believe you can succeed. Have faith in yourself, you'll get up to speed. Hey, I've got the knack, catch me if you dare. This is totally cool, I'm getting serious. Oh, woohoo!
Looking cool. Looking fresh.
Whoa, he's the best!
Hey, I'm the best, okay?
Oh yeah, sorry man.
How did I do? How did I do? Well, I think you're ready.
No doubt. See you at the race, little dude.
Hey! Whoa!
Now's the one you've all been waiting for. Get ready for the Turbo Cup race!
Whoa! I can't do this!
Boy, what's that over there?
What?
Eat my dust, losers!
Go on, Bertie! You can do it!
Here goes nothing! Whoa, radical!
Whoa, wicked moves, dude!
Whoa! This is easy! Coming through! What? Bertie? Whoa! The jump of doom!
Remember, Bertie, you can do this!
Everybody, put your hands together for our new Turbo Cup champion, Bertie!
Come on, Mr. Moo Cows. Well, I can't milk these two. You're fired.
Whew. Well, I guess we'll keep looking, Stan.
Yeah, you're hired. Yeah.
Hurrah!
We need you to check the speakers and you to check the stage before our big gig, man.
Thanks, Percy.
Now, I need to make sure everyone can hear the band, so I'd better turn it up to 11.
I'd better check every single bit of this stage, starting with this bit.
Hello? Is this loud enough?
Our stage.
This bit's okay.
Sorry, lads. Yeah, you're fired.
Sorry, Ollie. I just don't think they're cut out to be firemen.
Whoa, whoa, careful! Whoa, whoa!
I'm all wet. Let's go, lads. It's an emergency.
We'll never get another job.
Hey, that's not true. Ollie, follow that fire engine.
What are we doing here, Ollie?
Wait and see.
Mr. Grump, we are an emergency service. It's not our job to cut the crusts off your sandwiches. Or to warm up the toilet seat before you use it.
Hang on, that was my job.
Or to give you a lift to dance class.
That was my job.
Then who will do it?
We will!
You came back? Oh, thank goodness life was a nightmare without you. You're both hired. Come on, Ivan, stay still. It's for your own good. Easy, Ivan. Take your tickles.
Stop! It tickles! Hey, you know what? I think it worked. I think...
Well, it almost worked. But I heard that a big shot can cure a bad case.
You need to shake things up a bit, Ivan.
Yeah, shake it up.
And you think this will cure my hiccups? Ivan, if this doesn't do it, nothing will. Heck, I'm not so sure about... Ah, look at all the fun he's having. Ah, this is not a fun feeling. Yay, told you it'd work. Yes!
Ivan, I think it's my turn to help.
There's no helping some people.
Hey, where are we going?
I know a cure for your hiccups, Ivan, and it's just down this road.
It's about time. I'm so sick of my hiccups. What was that?
What was what, Ivan?
Huh? Oh, it must be nothing. My hiccups are making me hear things.
Don't worry, Ivan. Nearly there. Right then. Oh, Ivan?
What's happening? Oh, now look at what you made me do. What a mess to make.
Hey, Ivan, aren't you missing something?
I'm freezing solid here, so I am.
Not after last time, Royston.
Oh, well, back to the old shivering then. Brrr. Round up the sheep then, Jethro. Maybe just go into town.
Morning, Susie. You seem full of energy. What's your secret?
There's no secret, honey. Start your day with a dance, and you'll keep moving all day.
You're right, Susie, and that gives me a great idea.
Okay, everyone, let's shake off the morning shivers. Move left. 1, 2. A groove right. 3, 4. Spin around and we'll do it once more.
Oh, sorry, pussycat. Born with 4 left tires, I was.
Phew! I think we're pretty warmed up.
And you're really getting the hang of it, too.
Well, I am. Not sure the rest of this lot are made to move so smooth.
Oh, leave it out, Bazza. It's just a bit of fun.
I know. I'm just saying I'm the best dancer ever. Ever.
Well then, I've got another idea. Let's settle this on the dance floor.
It's a dance-off! Bazza versus Jethro!
Oh! Yeah! Ooh, beat that!
Come on, Jethro, you can do it.
Oh! I've pulled me back out!
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. I'm sure he wouldn't believe his ears.
Oh, this is so much fun.
Now, what was that you were saying about being at my service?
Yes, Zookeeper Olly always wants to help.
How about you help me by giving my home a fresh lick of paint? These walls look so dreary and grey, you know.
Yeah, good idea. Ta-da!
Oh, that's so much better. Bright orange, the best colour in Bumpton.
Is there anything else you need me to do, Alfie?
Ooh, now that you mention it, a makeover for the zebras. A new playground for all the animals. A rubber ducky for old Sharky. And a typewriter for Marlowe. Now, there's just one last thing I need you to help me with. A surprise birthday party for the lion.
Olly, what have you been doing? This isn't how you look after a zoo. Oh, Olly, I'll leave you in charge and look what happens.
But it was Alfie. He told me to do it, didn't you, Alfie?
A likely story. If animals can talk, I'll eat my hat. Oh, that I'd really like to see.
Hello, Willy. I'd really like to see you eat your hat now.
What?
See? I told you he could talk. Hang on. What's this? Bazza!
The monkeys told me to do it. Well, that explains it. It was Bazza all along. Olly, I should never have doubted you. But as for you, Bazza, you need to clear up all this mess you've made, and you can start by bathing the zebras. Me? No way. I'm not... No. All right, I'll do it. I'm sorry.
Seems Alfie's actions speak louder than words, eh, Bazza?
Oh! A benefit concert for the Bumpton School Boiler Fund. I'll make arrangements right away. Toodaloo.
Bye.
See you later.
Slight problem, Olly. The band split up due to artistic differences 10 years ago.
There's only one thing for it, then.
Hey!
Put the band back together!
Flowers and birds and ponds and trees, dum-de-lee-dum-dum-doo. Hey, it's Percy, my old friend. It's really good to see you. Stan, yeah, it's been a long time, man. We're putting the band back together, Percy. But this time, it's an emergency. Oh, wow, Cosmic Dude, count me in. My voice is as good as ever. Listen. Ah! Now, hang on. We're missing something. What's that, Percy? Every good band needs a good, solid tour van.
And every good band needs a good band. Beep-beep.
I'm ever so sorry, guys. I've dreamed for years of picking up my bass guitar and playing in the band again. But all these beetroots are needing harvesting, you see.
Well, we know what to do, guys.
I'm on it. Let's go!
There's nothing more I'd love to do than play drums in the band, fellas. But I've got to juice all these apples, you see. I'm ever so sorry.
Guys, I've got an idea. Thank you, everyone, for coming. Now, let me introduce the band. We are the Daylight Robbers. Oh, yeah. It's time to come together. Ollie had the plan. It's good to help each other. He's the man that can. It's time to sing together, cause it doesn't need repeating. Lots of tickets sold, those kids just need some eating. It's time to band together, can you feel the beat? It's time for rock and roll, that boiler's obsolete.
Oh no! Bertie! Wait!
So, yeah, man, I got these really cool new rads.
Awesome! That is totally what's that? Oh no, Bertie! Not the pier! Bertie, I know you're upset, but you must stop driving around with that box on your head. It's too dangerous.
But my glasses, Ollie. Everyone will laugh at me.
No, they won't, Bertie. Not everyone's as mean as Bazza. Come on, why don't you take off the box?
Oh, okay then.
Hey, Bertie, they look really good. They suit you.
Oh, you're just saying that. Oh no, I don't want those guys to see me.
Hey, Bertie, driving around with that box on your head? Not cool, dude.
But those glasses, oh man, those are really cool.
Really? Do you mean it?
You see, Bertie? And they aren't the only ones that think glasses are great. Let me show you. What do you think about glasses, Mick?
Well, I need glasses to read my car manuals, to help me to do my job better.
Miss Tabitha says that lots of children wear them at school.
Yes! Some of my best pupils wear glasses.
Hey, Sir Ronald, what do you think of Bertie's new look?
Bertie, you look very businesslike. How do you fancy a top-level management position at my company?
Great. I'll swing by on Monday.
And Percy loves glasses too.
Oh, yeah, I don't think I'd be where I am today without my superstar specs. Here, Ollie, I've been looking for you everywhere. Football, remember?
I think you owe someone an apology, Bazza.